Hello everyone, this is Livelight. Welcome back. My name is Devin Davis, and today we're going to look at something brand new in the GrandMA3 version 2 update. Released a whole bunch of new features, but there's one in particular I'd really like to look at, and that's the introduction of sound. And I think this is going to improve the workflow of so many people that do timecode to songs, where before you used to have to use third-party software and link them together using timecode like MIDI. But let me get into this and I'll show you why that's not needed anymore. So let's get right into it. So you'll notice here I've got two pools set up as well as one timecode viewer. And what I wanted to do was actually just show you something real quick. Is that you'll notice in the version 2, a lot of new pools are actually introduced. So you'll see we've got bitmaps, generators, a whole lot of new stuff that came in this update. And you'll see what we're looking at today in particular is going to be under the pools and sounds. Let's check this out, right? I opened up an empty timecode viewer right here, as well as a timecode slot. We create a new timecode, and we're going to click on it. Now I want you to notice something. This entire thing, of course, it's empty. What we used to have to do before is simply record your sequences to this timecode viewer. However, if we go ahead and right click any empty pool inside of the sound pool and we import, there's music. So I've put a song in here, wrote a couple songs, and I put a song in here. And if we take that song and we assign it to a timecode, you'll notice it's in here. Check this out. And there you have it, folks. That's sound inside of MA. I am so happy about this feature. I literally could not be happier. I've wanted this ever since I got into lighting programming, and I think this is going to be a wonderful addition. So now that you guys have seen that, let me show you something really cool. Go ahead and delete these pools. We're going to take our timecode viewer and put that guy over here. Going to do a 3D viewer over here. And then we can put a playback right here. So I've created a couple sequences, and we're just going to check this out. Here's a fun little tip for you guys. If you actually press Control and Alt while you have your title bar gone, it will actually reappear for you as long as you press it. So if you go in here and you press Show Title Bar, and you deactivate it, it'll go away. But if you press Control and Alt at the same time, if you're on Windows, then it will come back up. I think that's pretty neat. Now I'm going to briefly show you how to record timecode. All you would do is hit the Setup button in the top right of the timecode viewer. Press the circle button, and it's going to start playing. There you go. And that's it. It's very simple. It's just a couple simple cues. But now if we turn it all off and we go back and replay the timecode, everything should be done. So there you have it, folks. I just wanted to briefly go over this new feature, and I hope that you all enjoy it. I do plan on making some more videos about some of the other new features introduced, and briefly explaining those as well, but I hope you all are as excited about this update as I am, because it's opened up so many new opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like, and if you enjoy my content and you want to help me out, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I make lighting videos like this all the time, and I'd love your support and your feedback. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section, and if you'd like to reach out to me, I have my email listed in the description. Other than that, that was about it for today's topic, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.